Good morning to each and everyone, and welcome to our channel, The Philippines Unfiltered. In today's video, we are going to give you travel guides and tips regarding our travel in Moalboal Snorkeling Paradise and also in Kawasan Falls in just one day. No doubt snorkeling in Moalboal, Cebu is a word of the mouth. Swimming with the sardines and turtles, absolutely beautiful. Heaven? It's a paradise. Kawasan Falls in Bachan indeed a must-see too. It's a combination of short hike and canyoneering with its three layers waterfalls. With its blue and cold water giving a perfect swimming pool for each and every one. In its first layer, it is really breathtaking. But are we aware of the difficulty of going to Moalboal, especially for tourists or locals who are not from Moalboal per se? What about retirees who plan to do the same escapades themselves? Screaming like, what's the use of tour packages? Or consult Google, or just hire a Grab, or a taxi, etc., 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 or blah, blah, blah. Well, I will say this, it's easier said than done. In this video, I am providing you first-hand experiences with some few tips and guidance on how to go to Mualboal, Panagsama Beach. Ready? Let's get started. Our starting point is our Airbnb location in Grand Residences, Cebu City, to our destination in Mualboal, Panagsama Beach, snorkeling with the sardines and turtles. First, we have to wake up early because we will be traveling for 97 kilometers. According to Joji, our driver, our destination is 3 hours drive away from Grand Residences without traffic. It's a really pain in the ass. So our 6 a.m. call time is really pretty good. The road is still free as you can see. Woo, hooray! Chris observed the electric cables along the highway, so I decided to give you a glance. Is it unusual? For us here in the Philippines, those cables are already an apple of our eyes. Back to our main topic, our first guidance is going to Mualboal via private car as we do. I got a friend who happens to own a rent-a-car here in Cebu, and it's a great saving for our travel. Overall, our expenses for two adults tour with this mode of transportation is only 147 US dollar, including the tips. Sounds good, right? We are not actually picky travelers. We found a very decent small eatery in town and only paid a chunk of $14 for three adults, including our driver. We had humba or the Visayas version of sweet adobo, balbakwa, cow skin, which is very popular in here, beef buffalo, and goat caldereta, and of course, my favorite lechon paksiw plain rice or choice of corn rice that made me wow. By the way, the balbakwa is stewed cow skin until it's tender and the corn rice is a mixture of fine corn and rice cooked together. It was all yummy considering that rental rate in Cebu pick up and drop off only to Mualboal ranges from $61 to 66 US dollars. Other itineraries get another pay. That is why having a private car is better than I think any other mode of transportation. Secondly, going to Mualboal via personal scooter or motorbike. If you are alone or a couple traveling, this is the easiest and cheapest as well as hassle-free mode of transportation going to Mualboal Panagsama Beach. It will only take you around 2 hours drive with a fuel cost of 12 US dollar approximately. For the food and drinks, you will save more if you take some with you because stores in the area are more expensive. Third, going to Mualboal via public transportation. According to Joji, if you are traveling solo, public transportation will be another worth of taking experience and adventures. Going to there, just go to Cebu South Terminal and you can choose which bus to hop in to Mualboal bus station. From there, it will take you around 4 hours travel, excluded our starting point with a fare of 3.75 US dollar. On the other hand, you can also take taxi and you will gonna pay around 77 US dollar. Note when you are taking the taxi, the 77 US dollar is only drop off. Other itineraries or other activities that you will gonna go back and forth to Mualboal per se is not included in the 77 US dollar. But then if you wanted to travel privately from Cebu City going to Mualboal, I think taxi is pretty reasonable with the cost of 77 US dollar. Lastly is going to Moalboal via tour packages. You can join different tour packages, both Moalboal snorkeling and Kawasan Falls Badian. These two always come as a package because they are just nearby towns. There are lots of travel and tours in Cebu that you can actually check out. If you are okay with other group of people and arrange itineraries, this is for you. Mostly travel agencies collect like 195 US dollar per head or per person. Whoops! Friendly reminder, always compare prices before grabbing offers because other companies give discounts and cheaper offers. Once you reach Barangay Panagsama and before you enter Panagsama Beach, prepare an environmental fee of 0.44 cents US dollar per head. The ultimate destination is actually underwater. That is why once you arrive in the area, there are different guides that will gonna offer you different prices and it is up to you if you are going to grab it immediately or you want to compare prices. It is because once you are in that certain area of diving, snorkeling area, everything there is already guide and diving services. A package of guide plus gears plus GoPro video underwater costs as 44.60 US dollar, including the tip. The guide provided us with great deal because he took all the videos underwater while we are enjoying swimming. But then I have to tell you, you have to always practice bargain with the price. Said tips and guidance are applicable for both Panagsama Beach snorkeling and Kawasan Falls adventure. Overall, that is already our expenses. Hey friends, if you need more tips and guidance in your Philippine travel and or retirement, I will be very much willing to give it to you for free. Just send me an email to philippinesunfiltered03@gmail.com or check that Gmail in the screen. All I ask is your help in growing my channel by pressing the subscribe button and sharing it to your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video and next adventure.